Introducing the Samsung voice-guided digital deadbolt door lock, the SHP-DS510. With a stylish and modern design, this product is easy to install and use. The SHP-DS510 has a voice-guided system, allowing the registration process to be quick and easy. Includes an optional ability to lock your door automatically once the door shuts.
The door has locked.
Features a random security code to stop intruders from guessing your PIN code. And a long battery life with an expectancy of 12 to 24 months, averaging 10 users a day and a 30% battery warning.
Please replace the batteries.
Entry options include 101 users, either using a PIN code or a key tag, 2 included, the provided warranty access card and 2 backup mechanical keys. The SHP-DS510 is a DIY-friendly lock, meaning it is easily retrofittable onto an existing deadbolt lock. Installation requirements include 35 to 55mm door thickness, back set of 60 to 70mm, and a lock style of 95 to 105mm. The Samsung digital door locks all come with a 2-year electronic and 7-year mechanical warranty with a lifetime support line with our expert engineers. Welcome to the future of door hardware. Welcome to the Samsung digital door locks.